All right.
Man, I have a briefcase.
Okay.
I'm not a baby.
Not a baby. Okay.
Hey, I'm a baby. I'm level 40.
You guys are like baby
I'm
for me.
70 years old. But I'm not a baby.
You're not a baby anymore?
I
Okay.
knew this one. I knew
Okay.
the first digit. But I don't know this one. What? That was homework? Yeah. I didn't see that.
I sent the homework to everybody.
But his dad didn't tell me because I only went to Mexico.
Okay. Not a problem.
Mexico?
Okay. Let's not worry about Mexico. That's okay. So, I have got some goodies in my pocket. In my hand also. And I will see. Yeah, this is for you guys only. I cannot play with them.
Can I use a chair? Because I need something to lean on.
Take the better chair, okay? This chair is not good. So, let's start with the tables quickly. Okay? Yeah, table and then chair.
But I didn't fit at the back.
No, it's fine. Okay, so let me just inform the kids that the class has started.
You're okay.
So that,
Just message the group.
yes.
How about us? Yeah.
Okay.
If they message the group, how
All
is
right. Okay.
Round.
Okay, everybody calm down.
I sent my homework in the group, but
Okay. Now. Everybody calms down, settles down. Class has started. That's what I told in the message. So,
No dawdling.
now let's start with the tables and see what are the tables that you guys know. So you know table till?
I don't know 6 anymore. I forgot.
No, that option we don't have. Let's see what all you remember. Okay? 5 there,
25.
5 there,
45.
4 there,
12.
5 there,
75.
6 there,
21.
6 there,
18.
5 there,
25.
6 there,
5 times 5. 30.
6 there,
48.
4 there,
36.
7 there. Now just checking.
21.
See, you said that I forgot. See, this is the good part. When you learn something honestly, no, don't do that. When you learn something honestly, okay, when you are being honest to yourself, you don't forget. When you don't learn anything and
You be lazy.
being lazy is okay. Being lazy is okay, but not working on the things, not trying to learn things, that is where we go wrong. Okay, so you have memorized tables in the past. This week probably you did not memorize. That's why you were saying that okay, I forgot. But then you still remembered. Okay, don't do that.
I just
Let's
got one wrong.
okay. Let's go to Ranveer. Table till
Uh,
3, 2 5 there. 10, very nice. Say it loud. Yeah, you said 2 5 at 10. No, don't say 10. 3 5 there.
15.
2 9 there.
18.
3 7 there.
24.
3 7 there. That's right.
21. I said
Look at that.
21.
Okay. 3 9 there. Shh. No. 3 9 there. So Rehan, please keep it on the table. That thing is after the class. 3 9 there.
27.
Yeah. So you know it. See, the thing is, you already know it. Now, what we need to do? Ranveer, question for you. What we need to do? Practice. Revision. Every day 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes, okay? And whatever you guys did today, pick one.
Blue.
Pick one.
What's that? Dinosaur.
Yeah. That's for you guys. Okay. So,
Can we have another one at the end of the day?
let me see.
Would we run?
Okay, so Sohita, so we are checking, okay. One thing I'll request you guys, no playing around in the class. Everybody stay serious. So Sohita, you are in Irving, right?
Yes.
Okay, I come to Irving every day for my work. I go to Irving every day, okay? So, see, I have goodies for the kids, okay? Whoever gives me good answer, these are the goodies for them. So your goodies you will get when I come to Irving next time, okay? Whenever we get to meet. Yep. Hello Kanishka. Hi Sohita.
Hello.
Hello. So we will start in 2 minutes. Have a seat. What's your name? Kavi. Can you move a little bit to this side so that I can see you better? Okay. All right. So we have a new friend in the class, Kavi. Do you guys want to say hello to him?
Hello. Hello.
That was a very rude hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
So, Kavi, you have some friends here on the screen. Come over. I'll introduce you to them as well. Just be careful. Come here. Say hello to Kavi. Oh, Kavi is not seen. Yep.
Hello.
Yep. All right. Hello. Now we have one more child in the class. Kavi, you can take your seat. Yeah. What's your name, beta? वरुण जी बच्चे नाम बताइए. He is not saying.
इसके थोट में दर्द है.
Okay. आप ही नाम बता दीजिए.
सर्वतः.
Say that again.
सर्वतः.
Okay, Sarvatah. Okay, all right. So, beta, welcome to the class. Okay, we have some kids, babies like you. Okay, in the class, and Sohita and everybody will say, no, we are not babies. We have grown up, right? We are not grown up yet.
I'm still a kid.
You are still a kid. That's a good thing too.
I'm still a kid.
Okay, now, shh. Everybody stays focused. Now, so you guys got introduced to each other. You guys can become friends, but the friendship is after the class. In the class, you'll do only one thing. That is math.
Work.
That is math. No work for you guys, and we learn math in a more fun way. So right now, Ranveer and Rehan have told us tables. We do tables, okay? We learn tables. You know tables? I'll come to you. Let's see what Sohita knows. Sohita, do you remember the tables?
Yes.
Kanishka, turn on your video, please, beta. Okay. So, Sohita, table till
8.
8. So, let's start. 5 5 ja.
25.
6 9 ja.
54.
8 7 ja.
56.
7 9 ja.
63.
5 8 ja.
40.
6 7 ja.
42.
7 9 ja.
63.
Good job. So, beta, आपका नाम क्या है? I heard your name, but it's a very big name. Do you have a short name that I can remember? Hello, beta. How are you? Okay. So let's quickly check. Kanishka, table till
3.
3, 2 8 ja,
16.
3 5 ja,
15.
2 7 ja,
14.
3 9 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 9 ja. Everybody stays still. No movement. 27.
27.
Yep. Okay. So make sure that you guys spending 5 minutes every day to memorize tables. Okay. You again ready? Ready, beta? You again ready?
Yes.
Table till? Calm down, Ranveer. Ranveer, calm down. Take a deep breath.
Fly.
Huh?
There's a fly.
Doesn't matter. Fly is this small. You guys are this big.
Like bite.
No disturbing the class. Yep. You again. Table till?
I'll take 6.
6. 5, 5, yeah. Everybody stays on mute. Everybody stays on mute. Yeah, yeah, you again. 25. 4, 8, yeah.
$32.
5, 4, yeah.
$30.
3, 10, yeah.
$30.
Okay. So, you again. And everybody, okay? Practice makes a man perfect. Even if you guys are not man, even if you are kids, but practice is important for everybody, okay? Make sure that you are practicing tables every day for 5 minutes, okay? Don't have to rush, go to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stay till 6, that's okay, but it has to be solid. Let's see, Kavi, how much table, you know table? Yeah?
I know table. What should be 4 and 9 till 5?
वरुण जी हाँ बेटा बोलिए आप रेडी हो यू आर रेडी डू यू नो टेबल्स बेटा व्हाट ऑल टेबल्स डू यू नो
5.
up to 5 up to
Yeah, and 10.
okay let's see I mean see this class is meant for making mistakes okay if you make a mistake be happy about it don't have to be shy don't have to think that okay somebody will laugh no nobody laughs here okay all right so let's see वरुण जी बच्चे का कुछ शॉर्ट नेम है क्या इट्स अ वेरी बिग नेम फॉर मी ओम ओके सो ओम लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल टेबल्स यू नो shall we start with 2 2 times 3 how much om
6.
2 times 8
16.
3 times 5
8 times 5.
3 times 5
15.
3 times 9
27.
4 times 4
28.
no okay 4 times 4 is 16
Oh.
yeah 3 times 7
21.
3 times 9
27.
Wonderful, I love it. So this was your first class and you have impressed that one, okay guys, no parallel discussion here. Only person who will talk will be me and your talks will only happen with me. No parallel talks here. That is English, right? Everybody understands English here, correct? Okay. Don't make me repeat myself. Alright. So Om, I'm very happy that you know tables. So you know table till 2 and 3. Up to 3 you had no problem and you were very quick in answering that.
I know 10.
That's okay beta. Let's not rush. You guys are still babies, okay? You guys have a lot of time. Let's not worry about knowing everything now itself. You have a lot of time. We'll use the time properly. Let's see what Kanishka is trying to say. Yeah, Kanishka?
I'm not a baby.
You're not a baby, but you guys are babies for me, okay? I treat you like babies.
Do not call me a baby.
Okay, we'll figure it out. Yeah, Sarita, what happened? You're not a baby either? No, so, see, I'm a father of 2 kids, okay? I have one child who is ready to go to college this year and one child who is in middle school. I still call them babies. What to do? Okay, alright, let's not worry about being baby or not being a baby, okay? Here we have to learn math. So, Sohita has told the tables, Kanishka has told the tables. Om also told tables. Yugin told tables. Everybody else here except Kavi and Yug. Kavi, table till which number?
10.
Till 10? No, I'm not worried about 10. 10 is easy peasy. I'm interested in knowing 1 to 9. I mean, even 1 is easy peasy. So 2 to 9. If you know 2 to 9, 10, 11 is like this. Okay?
I don't know what to do.
2 to 9 you don't know. So that's what we learn. Okay? Yep. Okay. Everybody stays on mute. Yug, table till. Sit properly. You're not here on a beach, in a beach. Okay? It's not a beach. It's a classroom. Stay attentive. Take out the chair. The chair is not for you guys. Get up, get up, get up, get up.
Huh?
Yep, get up. This chair is not for. See, if you guys come to the class and to relax, you will not learn anything. Be firm. Sit down. Okay. So, Kavi, you don't know tables. Okay, wonderful.
But I know 10 is
10 I don't care. 10 is not to learn even. Okay.
I can do 2s, but it's a little hard.
We'll learn that. We'll learn that. So, Yug, table till. Quick. You cannot take eternity for telling me which number you know table till.
5.
5. You're going backward? Don't fool around with me, okay? You're here for serious business. Alright, table till 8 is what I want to check. Let's see. 5 5 here. 6 9 here. 7 3 here. 5 9 here. 7 6 here. 8 5 here. Ranveer, what are you busy with, brother? Then don't be busy. If you're not busy, then don't be busy. I'm seeing you busy. Okay. Yeah, 8 5 40. Now, you are doing very fast calculation. Use that speed for memorizing tables. This is probably the 100th time I'm telling you you have to practice tables, you have to memorize tables, you have to spend 5 minutes every day. Okay? Alright. So for all the kids, Kavi, what you have to do is you have to write down whatever I'm saying right now. Let me write it for you, okay? Let me write the table of 2, okay? Table of 2. 2 1. Okay, so everybody will just listen to me carefully. I'm reading and writing the table of 2 for Kavi, okay? I'll write it for Kavi for 2 and 3 both. 2 1 ja 2. I'm saying it loud, okay? 2 2 ja 4. 2 3 ja 6. 2 4 ja 8. 2 5 ja 10. 2 6 ja 12. 2 7 ja 14. 2 8 ja 16. 2 9 ja 18. 2 10 ja 20. Okay, everybody who thinks that he or she is forgetting, remember this. So let's look at table of 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12. 3 5 ja 15. 3 6 ja 18. 3 7 ja 21. 3 8 ja 24. 3 9 ja 27. 3 10 ja 30. So this is an assignment for Kavi. You will spend 5 minutes every day just to memorize this table. Not right now, okay? Same thing for Om. Same thing for Kaniska. Make sure that you guys are spending 5 minutes every day. Same thing for Yugin also, okay? Everybody spends 5 minutes every day. You came to the beach, you go to the beach after the class as well. Yeah? Guys, if you don't take math seriously, math will never take you seriously, okay? Remember that. If math doesn't take you seriously, you have a problem in the making.
And you won't get goodies.
Okay, alright. So, I have something for the kids here. I have got some goodies, but these goodies are only for the kids who are in the classroom. So, when you tell me the tables correctly, when I get happy, this is for you guys, okay? So, one for Kavi, one for you.
Go.
Okay, so now let's start learning something. What do you want to learn today? You have no idea. I have some idea. Let's think about it.
Shapes.
We are learning, see, we have
Multiplication.
multiplication we have learned.
Kilogram.
So if you just use your ears and brain more than using your lips, that will be more effective. Okay, Ranveer, stay very serious in the class. I'm not going to entertain any indiscipline. Alright, so we have learned addition, subtraction and multiplication. We will start division today. But some of you who are not comfortable with multiplication or division, don't worry, I will try making it easy peasy. Okay, that's my job. So don't take any stress. We are here to have fun, not to get stressed out. Now, why do we need to learn math? Do we really need to learn math? No, math is not fun. Math is not fun. Is it? Is it fun? It's fun. It's fun. Okay. Let's see. Let's find fun in math. Okay, Kavi, Ranveer, Yug. Can you guys make sure that next 50 minutes of your time is only for me? Or for math actually. Now, everybody pay attention to what I'm doing. Let's say I had few goodies that I distributed among you all here in the classroom. Not for the kids who are joining online. Let's say if I had 10 candies. If I had 10 candies. Ranveer, can you put it down for God's sake? Yeah? God is asking you to keep it down. Okay. If I had 10 candies, what's going on? Okay. If I had 10 candies and I had to give it to one child, I had only one child whom I had to give all the candies. How many candies that the child gets?
10.
Everybody here?
10.
Oh, okay, 10. He or she gets 10, all 10 of them?
10 child.
Don't extend it. Just answer what I'm asking, okay? Okay. So I had 10 candies. I repeat, okay? Kanishka, Om, Yogin, and Sohita as well. I had 10 candies and I had to give it to one child, okay? There was only one child who wanted all the candies. How many candies I am giving to that child?
10.
All 10? Yeah, Yogin?
10.
Agree? Now life becomes more difficult. One more child came running to me. Say, I also want candy. I have only 10. Now I have 2 kids to distribute among.
You give 5 to each of them. Because
Can we-
are the divider of.
So don't go that far. I'm keeping it simple. Let's keep it simple. So the question was, if I had 10 candies, if I had to distribute among one child, I gave all 10 to one child. Now I have a situation where I have to give it to 2 kids. How many candies every kid gets?
5. 5.
You told it, I heard it. Let everybody else also react to it. Yeah, Sohita, how many candies you will give to every child?
5.
5. Rehan, how many you will give?
5.
Yugin, how many everybody gets?
5.
Om, how many everybody gets?
5.
5. Kanishka, how many everybody gets?
5.
Okay. Now I have more kids asking for candies. I have 5 kids. Okay, I'll come to you, Sohita beta. I'll come to you. Now, how many candies everybody gets?
1.
Yeah, Om. How many?
2.
2.
2.
Sohita, how many?
2.
2. Kanishka, how many?
2.
Yugin, how many?
2.
How many? 2. 2 candies. Yug?
2.
2. Ranveer, 2.
2.
2. It's a very rude 2. He answered 2. Because earlier he was getting 10. Then he compromised, said, okay, I'll get 5. Now it has come down to 2. He's not happy about it. Okay. But now, how did we arrive at these numbers? 10 candies, 1 child, everybody gets 10. 10 candies, 2 child, everybody gets 5. 10 candies, 5 kids, everybody gets 2. How did we arrive at that number? Did I do any magic? Did you guys do any magic to find it out?
I just calculated in my head. What base 10?
Yeah, Om, what did you do to find that
More
out?
people wanted it.
Say that again?
More people wanted it.
No, I did not hear that. One more time.
More people wanted the candy.
More people wanted the candy. Yeah. No, I'm saying, how did you arrive at this number? How did you find out that, okay, if there are 10 candies, everybody gets 10. If you have only one child. If there are 2 kids, everybody gets 5. If you have 5 kids, everybody gets 2. Yeah, Sarita. How did you find it out?
Multiplying it.
Multiplying it? How did you find it?
Base 10.
Base 10? Okay. Give me a simple answer.
Skip counting.
Skip counting.
Same.
Skip counting. I have a better answer for you guys. I just divided. See, that is what I was trying to do. 10 candies I divided among one child, I got 10. 10 candies when I divided among 2 kids, I got 5. 10 candies when I divided among 5 kids, I got 2. Everybody got 2, correct? Now think of, this is we are approaching summer. Which fruit do we get in summer?
Watermelon.
Watermelon
Orange.
or orange in summer?
You can do orange in
No,
summer.
okay. I'm not talking about the factory made oranges that you get here, okay? I'm talking about the seasonal fruits. Mangoes.
Strawberry.
Mangoes, strawberries are in winters. Mangoes are the fruit in summer. Mango, lychee, here are the fruit that you get in summer. And even watermelons, yeah. Yeah, yes, Sarita. Tell me, what all fruits do you get in summer?
Lychee.
Lychee and mangoes and watermelon. Okay,
I know one. Banana.
which one?
Banana.
Okay, yeah, okay.
That was my answer.
Okay, now, guys, need to be serious. I know math is fun, but don't overdo the fun part of it. Now, I went to Costco because I like mangoes. Okay, I bought 12 mangoes. Okay, for a family of 4. I have 4 people in the family, including me. Okay, so it's here. Okay, I bought, guys, here on the board, I bought 12 mangoes, and I am a family of 4. Okay, hear the question first. Don't rush for answers. I don't care about the answer. I care about the approach, how you solve problems. Okay, so hear it loud and clear. Yep, Eugene, don't rush for the answer. I have not completed the question yet. I bought 12 mangoes for a family of 4. So you stay on mute, beta, okay? When you have to speak, then you'll unmute and you'll talk, okay? Otherwise there's some background noise. Everybody. Now, I bought 12 mangoes for a family of 4. I want 5 mangoes. I will take 5 mangoes. Am I being fair?
No.
No, but I bought them.
So what? You wanted to share?
It's not about who is buying it. My question was, am I fair?
No.
And the answer is no. Why?
Because if you take 12, if you buy 12 and you're taking 5, then how are you gonna distribute? 5 is an odd number. Add this.
Think and answer. 5 is a prime number. 5 is an odd number. That doesn't mean to me.
5 is an odd number.
Think. Make sure you are putting your brain to task. Don't underuse them. Underuse your brain. Okay, yeah, tell me.
Everyone gets 2.
Everyone gets 2.
No. Everyone gets 1. 2, 4.
Okay, I have not got any convincing answer. Let's see what Kanishka has to say.
How many families do you have to do?
I bought 12 mangoes. Hold it. You gave 3 wrong answers already. Let other child also answer. I got 12 mangoes for a family of 4. Me, my wife and my 2 kids. But I said I will take 5 mangoes. I will eat 5 of them. Am I being fair? That's the question for you guys to answer. Now, Kanishka, what do you think? What is your answer, beta?
You're not being fair.
Okay, what did I do wrong?
Because the other people they only have to get they only have to get only less and you get to have more than how much they have to get.
But I'm so big. I have less hair.
That doesn't mean you have to get more.
Okay, let's see what Yugin has to say. I'll come to you. You have given an
It's
answer.
not fair because if you get 5, then the other people won't get the same amount.
Okay. How about you, Om? What do you think? Am I being fair or not? No?
You're not being fair.
Okay, let's see what Om says. Let's hear Om's opinion also.
They're not being fair because you have way more than everybody else.
Okay. You were saying something.
You're not being fair because if you get like 5 and then the other and there's like 12 only, so like they'll
Okay.
so one of your 2 kids will get 2 and then the other one will get 2 and then you
No, okay. So
Then that's
okay,
just
okay.
not
So now,
It's not more
now hold it there. We are not here in a debate where everybody just gives opinion after opinion without giving any conclusion. Now let me change my question. So everybody said unanimously that I'm not fair. Okay, take it. I take it. Now tell me, what do I do to be fair?
give each person 3.
Okay, no, I'll come to you. Don't rush. Om, what do I do for being fair?
Divide it.
Divide it equally. Okay. Let's see what Kanishka says.
You have to get the equal number that everybody gets, and then you get to split it, divide it to how
Okay.
much.
Okay, I'll come to everybody. Okay, I heard Kanishka also. What is Sohita's response? Tell me, Sohita, what will you do to make me fair? Don't apply Fair and Lovely on my face.
Divide it.
Okay. So when I was a child, there was a cream, ointment or cream called Fair and Lovely. That used to make people fair. So don't apply Fair and Lovely to make me fair. Tell me what is the calculation you are saying. Divide it, okay? Got it. Eugene, what do I do to become more fair? Eugene, you are talking on mute. I cannot hear you.
So you can do each person gets 3.
Okay. Now, okay. So I heard divide it. Okay. Let's see what you guys to say. Give me short and to the point answer.
Like each person gets a odd number.
Not convincing.
You can take one out and then you can give each person 1.
Okay. Let's see what Ranveer says. You guys just charged me saying I'm not being fair. I understand I'm not fair, but you have to teach me how I can become fair.
Divide them.
Okay.
Give each person 3.
Okay. Yeah, Om. What do I do?
Do 12 divided by 4 equally.
Okay. Now, so Kavi, turn around. Now I am trying to fix the problem. Okay. As soon as I said out of 12, everybody put your hands down. Okay. I'm teaching something. The discussion is over. Teaching is starting now. So as soon as I said out of 12, I will take 5. Everybody got upset with me. My wife, my kids, everybody. So I had to be fair. So I said, fine. There are 12 mangoes. Let me create 4 bags. I'll distribute these mangoes. I put 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Everybody has got 1 so far, no problem. So I have put 4. I still have some remaining. Now I give 1 more to everybody. Now 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8 mangoes are distributed. Everybody has gotten 4. Okay, this is me, my wife, daughter 1, daughter 2. Okay, everybody has got 2. But we have only used 8 mangoes. I put 1 more to everybody. Now all 12 are distributed. Everybody has gotten 3. Now nobody will be upset. If I'm giving 3 to everybody, then I'm equally distributing it. That is why as soon as I said I'll take 5, everybody saw, oh, you are taking 5 instead of 3. That is why you said I am unfair. And that is the right statement. Drawing my picture will not make you good at math. Okay? Don't draw my picture. I'm not worthy of being drawn on somebody's notebook. Alright? Okay. So, everybody hands down. Everybody hands down. Everybody hands down. You guys will get to speak. You guys will get to answer. You'll get to solve problems also. But when the time comes. Okay? Everybody hands down. Sohita hands down. Now, so what did we see here? We divided 12 mangoes. We divided among 4. Or 12 mangoes we divided among 4 and we got 3. Is this something that is reverse of multiplication? Now look at this. If I multiply 3 and 4, I get 12. So 12 divided by 3 gives you 4. Or 12 divided by 4 gives you 3. And everything that you have here, if you multiply 3 and 4, it gives you a 12. So, somebody here is, division is reverse of multiplication. Pin drop silence. What does it mean? Division is reverse of multiplication. Like, okay, everybody here. Like, when you add number, let's say, if I say 2 plus 2 gives you 4. 2 minus 2 gives you 0. Like we always say, doing subtraction is reverse of addition, right? When you add, it is something. When you do subtraction, it is different. It is reverse of that. Likewise, you can say multiplication and division is reverse of multiplication. What? Yes, it's reverse of multiplication. Let's look at it. Now let's look at it this way. 12.
Oh man, the marker.
12 divided by 4. How much did we get? 3. Yeah? Everybody got 3 mangoes when I distributed 12 mangoes among 4 people? Okay?
Yeah.
Now I'm thinking another way around. 4 people getting 3 mangoes each makes it 12 mangoes. 12 mangoes divided among 4 people makes it 3 mangoes. 3 mangoes multiplied by 4 people gives you 12 mangoes. No?
Yes.
Let's look at it one more time. If I have, let's say, the same candy example, 10 candies distributed among 2 people makes it 5 candies each. Correct? Now, 5 candies given to 2 people, 5 into 2. See, I just reversed it. No, don't be busy taking notes. See, allow it to go in your concept. Don't be busy taking notes, okay? Think about it. What is that? So useless talks will not let you learn anything. Okay? Yeah? So if you make that kind of statement, do you know where you land? In that corner for a timeout. Yeah. Anybody making a wrong statement lands you in a corner, which is called timeout. Okay? Don't make such statements. Okay? Coming back to this one. What we are trying to learn here? We are trying to learn that when you are trying to divide, that whole process of division is just the reverse of multiplication. If I say 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. I can also say 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6. Make sense?
Yes.
Is everybody able to follow me?
I'm having some hard times.
Hard time. We'll make it harder. Let's look at it this way. Now let me give you guys some clue. What I will do is I will write a table in one corner. Okay? Let me write this table of 3. 3 1 are 3. 3 2 are 6. 3 3 are 9. 3 4 are 12. 3 5 are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7 are 21. I'm stopping here. Okay, I've written only till 7. Now let's look at this. If I have 21 bananas, okay, 21 bananas, I have to give it to 3 people.
Yes.
Guys, Sarita here. I have 21 bananas. I have to distribute it among 3 people. What will be my answer? You have the answer right in front of you. 21 is distributed among 3 people. See where you have 3 and 21. I'm saying 21. 21 is divided among 3 people. How much everybody gets?
7.
See, look at this table here.
Yeah.
3 times 7 is 21. So you have 3 and 21. What is missing? 7. So this multiplication table helps you find out the value of division.
Okay. Yeah. Wow.
No, I'm just checking. So Yug is doing some research right now. Research on human psychology. That how many times I can irritate my teacher before he knocks me off the classroom. Right? You have been doing that research for some time now. Stop doing that. If I'm telling you something, see, I don't want you guys to be busy taking notes because we don't have to worry about notes. Everything is there in the video that you can watch later. I'm getting recorded, not you guys. So this goes as a video on YouTube for you guys to watch and revise what we learned in the class. Okay? So don't worry about taking notes. Focus more on understanding the concepts. Kaniska, you were not knowing that before? No. Whatever we do in the class, that is recorded. Not you guys are not recorded. It's only me and the board. Okay. So this I will upload after the class, which you can watch later to revise to see what we learned. Okay. Sohita knows that, right? Sohita? Yeah. Rehan also knows that. You were also knowing that. Okay. So coming back to the point. What is happening here? Let's look at it one more time. If I had, let's say, 6 apples, I had to give it to 2 people. Distribute among 2 people, meaning divide 6 among 2. How much will I get? Oh, 6 apple divided among 2 people. How much I will? 3? 3. How did you find it out? Here.
Yes, it's all on the tables.
It's on the tables, right, Yugin?
Yeah.
So, see, this is multiplication table. What that is helping us do? Division. Right? So think about, I'm sorry?
So division is like times?
Division is reverse of it. So, I have $2. I have to give it to one person. 2 divided by 1. That is 2. If I have $2, I have to give to 2 people. 2 divided by 2. How much everybody gets? $1. 2 by 2 or 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. Now let's read this like English. Forget about math. Okay, there's no math here. Okay, so you might want to go on mute. Okay, so here, now let's look at this. I had 6 apples to be distributed among 2 kids. I looked at this one. 6 apples to be distributed among two kids makes everybody get 3 apples. Now 3 times 2 is 6. See, you have 6 here, 2 here, you got 3 here. You have 3 here, 2 here, you got 6 here. So what is happening is the 3 from here moved to that side, 6 from here came to this side, and this became division. That's the change. So don't stress yourself. Simple thing. When you multiply, number becomes big. When you divide, number becomes small. But in both the cases, you are using the tables. If I had, let's say, $5, if I say multiply that by 2, how much I will have?
6.
I had $5. I said multiply that by 2, how much I will have?
4.
You gain. How much will I have? 10.
10.
Yeah, I had $5. I said multiply that by 2. So 5 multiplied by 2. If you look at this one, this table here, multiply 5 by 2.
I don't know what multiplying means. I go from times, not multiply.
Same thing. Times is the same thing. 2 times 5 or 5 times 2. That gives you 10. We'll learn. So what we need to make sure is learn these tables, practice these tables, memorize them. Once you memorize them, you will see a lot of fun begins. Okay? Yeah? Okay. So now let's forget about division and multiplication. Let's forget about everything that we learned, right? Memorizing is not easy. It's difficult. Now think about it. Think about a situation now, okay? I have $20. I have $20. If I say multiply that by 2, will I have more or I will have less? Give me a simple answer.
Less.
I have $20. I said multiply that by 2. Will I have more or will I have less? Om,
Yeah, that's
Yogin, Kanishka and Sohita. I'm asking simple question. If I have $20, if I say multiply that by 2, will I have more than 20 or less than 20? Huh? Yeah, Om.
Less.
Yeah, Om.
Less than 20.
Okay. More. I said I had $20. Multiply that by 2. I had $3. Multiply that by 4. Will I have more than 3 or less than 3?
More than 3.
That's what I was asking. I have $10. Multiply that by 8. Will I have more than 10 or less than 10?
Less than 10.
Think and answer.
More than 10.
Huh. So I'm saying if I have $10, multiply that by 5. Will I have more than 10 or less than 10?
More than 10.
Simple. So simple thing is when you multiply, you make it more. When you multiply something, okay, you make it bigger. Right? If I say multiply 2 by 2, I am making this 4, which is 4 is greater than 2. Correct?
Yeah.
So whenever you multiply, you make it big. Okay? Now think of a situation. You have a party going on with your friends at home.
Yeah.
Okay? And you got a pizza. Okay? You got a pizza that everybody likes.
I do not like pizza.
Me too.
What?
Then you are not invited.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So coming back to a serious discussion, okay? Let's talk about be it pizza, be it pie, be it something that everybody likes, let's say. Now, if I have 2 kids versus 5 kids, when the kids will get more?
See.
One more time.
More.
No. I'm saying if I have 2 kids versus 5 kids, in what situation kids will get bigger slice of pizza?
5.
5.
Think.
10.
No. You guys are just getting stressed out for no reason. Yes, let's see what Om says. Yeah, Om.
The two people get more.
When you have less people, everybody gets more.
Ah.
You guys are not thinking. See, math is not difficult. Don't think that math will come and haunt you in your night. It will not give you a nightmare, okay? Math is not a monster. Math is a very cute baby, okay, like you guys. Now somebody will confess saying, I'm not a baby. I understand that.
I'm not a baby.
Okay. So, but then grow up. You're not growing up also.
Sorry.
I'm telling you the same thing again and again, you're not following it. That's the problem only with the babies with diapers, who will not understand anything. But you guys, even if you guys don't wear diapers, you don't listen to me. That's the problem. Okay, come back to serious discussion. So, a serious point as a takeaway for us. When you multiply, you make it big. When you divide, you make it small. If I have something to divide among two people, the pieces are smaller than the whole. If I have to divide this among 10 people, the pieces are even smaller. What if I have a cake? This is a 4-pound cake, and I invited 200 friends. 200 friends. How much? Can you imagine how much everybody will get?
A little bit.
One cake, 200 friends.
A little bit only. One tiny bit.
One tiny bit. Right?
This small.
So, what is happening here? You are dividing by a bigger number. When you divide by a bigger number, you make it very small. It's like this, okay? 40 divided by 2 versus 40 divided by 5 versus 40 divided by 10 versus 40 divided by 20 versus 40 divided by 200. Imagine how small the numbers are becoming. Let's say this was $40. Everybody gets $20. 40 by 5, everybody gets $8 now. 40 by 10, everybody gets only 4. 40 by 20, everybody gets only 2. 40 by 200, everybody gets 20 cents, not even $1 now. So when you divide with a bigger number, you are making the number smaller. When you multiply a number with a bigger number, you are making it a much bigger number. Look at this. 40 times 2, 40 times 6, 40 times 10. See how much it will become. So this is what you have to understand. When you are multiplying any number with a small number, it increases. Multiplying with a bigger number, it becomes much bigger. Even bigger number, more big. When you divide any number with a bigger number, you are making it very, very small. Okay, now let's see who all has question here. Yep, you had a question.
When is this class going to end?
I don't think it will end today.
It always ends tomorrow.
Alright, so we have 10 more minutes. But before we talk about, did you learn anything today? One small message for you for probably 200 times. Put the notebook here. You are not taking any notes right now. I want you to put your entire energy for just understanding the concept. What I'm saying here is, if I have a number, let's say if I have, now let's talk business. Let's say I have $500. Done dancing? Alright, I had $500. If I have to give to only Rehan, very happy, he gets all 500. If he has not did it. Okay, so if I have, yes, Sarita. No, wait. Sorry, beta.
Can we learn about time?
What? We'll learn about that in the next class. That's okay. We can do that. Okay?
Because I'm learning about time.
We'll learn time. That's okay. No big deal. Okay? Next class, we'll learn that. So here, okay. Take a deep breath. Whenever you get distracted, take a deep breath and settle down. Okay. Now, so, okay. So I had $500. If it was only Rehan in the class, he would have got everything. Now I have Rehan and Ranveer also. So I'm dividing 500 among two people. Now earlier Rehan got 500 when he was alone. Now I have Rehan and Ranveer. Both get 250. Now Rehan, whatever he was getting before, it got moved to Ranveer also. Now I have Rehan, Ranveer and Kavi. It's divided among three people. 166.67. So, what you see here, when you divide one number among more people, it keeps on becoming smaller.
166. Is that 166.7? Oh, 166.
Don't worry about it. Let's not get into complicated calculation for now. You guys have not learned how to find out decimals, so let's not worry about it. I'm saying it's a smaller number. So, in simple terms, what is that we have learned today? That when you multiply the number, that becomes bigger.
Yeah.
If you divide a number, that becomes smaller. Now there is a small quiz for you guys. Everybody turn your video on and look at what I'm doing on the board. Now a question for everybody. 200 multiplied by 2 versus 200 divided by 2. Tell me which one is bigger.
200 times 2. 200 times 2.
Okay. Yeah, Om. What is your answer?
वीरेंद्र जी आपका
Yeah.
बोर्ड पूरा दिखता नहीं है, यहाँ पे कट जाता है ऊपर से.
Right, that's why I'm reading it, sir. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
thoda hota hai to that's okay. So I have, I'll just read for you guys. Okay, if you're not able to see it, that's fine. 200 multiplied by 2 versus 200 divided by 2. The question for you guys is, which one is bigger? Yeah, you get.
200 times 2 is bigger.
Okay. Om, do you agree? Yep. Okay. So Hita, what is your point?
200 times 2 is bigger.
Kanishka, what do you think?
200 times 2.
Yeah. So basically, you guys also agree?
Yeah.
Multiplication makes the number big.
Yeah.
Division makes the number small. Sorry? Division makes the number small.
Yeah.
Right? See, it's simple thing, right? Whatever I have, if I have to divide, I'm distributing among people, right? Everything becomes small. If I have this pen, if I'm using it, I have one pen. If somebody says divide this pen between Biren and Kavi, what will I do? I will break it. You get this much, I get this much. I made it small, isn't it? Right?
Yes.
If I say this eraser, it is my eraser. I have one complete eraser. If everybody in the classroom, Kanishka says, no, I also want eraser. Then I have to break it into two pieces. Then I have this small, Kanishka has this small. Dividing makes things small. And that is why we don't want to divide our things.
That's why we learn.
Because we know that when you divide, it becomes small. When you multiply, it becomes big. Okay? If I say, there's only one time, okay, let me not talk about it. I don't want to talk about things that you guys are not aware of. But, simple thing. Let's say you go to school. Let's say you buy a book for $10. Today the price of the book is $10. The storekeeper says, the shopkeeper says, I'm multiplying the price by 5. Would you be happy or you'll not be happy?
Not happy.
You'll be happy. Why?
No happy.
Not happy. Yep. Om, will you be happy?
No.
No.
Happy.
Don't be happy when somebody rips off your money, okay? So, simple thing. So that's why we are, see, okay, guys, here. What we are, yeah, Kanishka, you're saying something?
They're wasting your money.
Yeah, correct. So that's what I'm saying. Why we are learning all this? It's not because we want to get 100 out of 100. That is not the plan.
It makes you get better and smarter.
We want to make sure that nobody cheats us. We understand, let's say you have some money. You want to put that in the bank. If you put your money in the bank says, okay, you give me 100, I'll give you 90. Why would you go to bank?
Because
They're just taking your money.
yeah,
You give 100 to them, they're returning you 90 only.
they're just taking $10.
Yeah. So you are better off keeping your money with you.
You earn that money.
You will go to the bank when bank says I will give you 105. Now you have a motivation that yeah, my money will become big.
Yes.
And all that you will understand. All that we will understand only when we understand the calculation. So we are just learning to be a better human being. We are learning to make sure that nobody takes away our money. We are learning to make sure that we understand everyday transaction that we do. See, Sohita was saying that I want to learn about time. Do you know why? Because she wants to learn that, okay, if I say the class is for 1 hour, she wants to know if I started at 7:10 and the class is for 1 hour, I will finish at 8:10. If she knows that this is how the calculation happens, if I say class is for 30 minutes, she'll say, okay, 30 minutes, 7 hours, 7:10 we started, 30 minutes, add to that. 7:40 is when the class will get over. Correct? That is how she will learn to calculate. She wants to know what time I should set the alarm for. If she has to reach school by 8 o'clock, what time I should wake up?
7 o'clock.
Because you are calculating there also. You say, okay, 7 o'clock I'll wake up. I'll take 5 minutes to brush my teeth, 15 minutes to get ready, 20 minutes to take breakfast. It takes me 20 minutes to drive to the school. Altogether, you wake up at 7, you reach school by 8. What did you do in 1 hour? You calculated how you'll plan your activities. That's why it's important for us to learn these things. Because this is part of our day-to-day life. We don't learn math because daddy is asking us to learn. No. We are learning because we want, when we grow up, we can manage our things by ourselves.
And we want to get better at math.
Yes. And you will get better at math if you understand the concepts. So we'll focus on making sure that we keep on learning concepts, not because we want to get 100 out of 100. 100 out of 100 will come by itself if we learn it well. But we are not chasing that target. Oh, I have to get 100 out of 100. What if I get 90? Sky will not fall. But if you are learning the concepts right, it will help you become better at things. Yeah? Is it making sense to everybody? Yes. Om, this was your first class. Were you able to follow me better? Yeah? Okay? So we are not studying for getting 100%, okay? We are just studying to learn the concepts. Yeah? Yugin, is that okay, beta? Kanishka, okay? Sohita, okay? So Sohita, we'll learn about time in the next class, okay? Don't worry about it. But everybody, before you guys leave, make sure that we are spending 5 minutes every day to memorize tables. No question about doing it or not doing it. So Kavi, when you come to the next class, I want to see, I would ask you questions on table of 2 and 3 and let's see how you are doing it. And you don't have to stress out, okay? Just 5 minutes every day. You will do it this way, okay? 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 6 12, 2 7 14, 2 8 16, 2 9 18, 2 10 20. Do one by one. Just read it. Close your eyes. 2 1 2 2 4. You got stuck at 2 4 8. Okay, 2 4 2 3 6, 2 4 8. And do it. It will take only 5 minutes to you. Okay, every day you do it. Then once you think that you have memorized, close this and take it to your parents. Say, okay, fine. Ask me questions on tables for 2 and 3. And let's see if you are able to memorize it. Do it like a fun activity and we'll see if that is helping. Yeah?
I'm not coming.
You have to sit here. Did I say anybody that class is over? Guys, if I say you guys are babies, you say no, I'm not. But you are not able to follow basic instructions that even babies follow.
How does baby follow?
Okay? Alright. So I'll let you guys go. Make sure you're memorizing tables and we'll see you guys in the class next Monday. I'll send you guys some homework also to practice. Do it wrong, it's okay. If you do it wrong, there's nothing going to go wrong, okay? We will keep doing it, keep practicing it to get better. Yep.
I won't come. I'm not coming.
Even if you're not coming, you have to keep